We have a new liquid nutrition, and a new liquid nutrition that has been basically launched in Europe and will be launched in the United States very soon, which we call MOA. And MOA stands for the mother of all, because when you look at what a lot of the juice liquid nutrition products on the market today, they focus on one ingredient, maybe two, maybe three, but we've got the mother of all, MOA. And MOA is an incredible whole food liquid nutrition blend with a beautiful blend of mushrooms, medicinal mushrooms, and turmeric and aloe vera and seaweed and black seed, and ingredients from all over the planet that have been prized for centuries for their healing properties. Just the maitake in our product alone has 2 patents, and it has been clinically tested in the United States and in Japan, and it is remarkable ingredient. Well, you look at these ingredients, who's going to want to drink a mushroom juice? Not many people. So in creating MOA, we took these fantastic ingredients. You know, you hear from our government, eat a rainbow. And we wanted a liquid nutrition that was really the whole spectrum, that provided micronutrients from foods from all over the planet. And MOA is interesting because it's got a little kick to it, it's got a bit of a punch, and it has got ingredients that are extremely powerful for immune health. It's got all these ingredients, and then we also have this entire array of superfruits and beautiful fruits that you might be familiar with, you know, like pomegranate and mango and peach and cranberry and plum, but it has unique fruits like mangosteen and acai or noni. But bergamot, let's look at bergamot on the top, that comes from Greece and is prized for its ability to help support good cholesterol levels. And so MOA is a really great liquid nutrition blend that we will be introducing into the United States very soon. We will be excited to have you try it. So that is our current product line, which we are continually expanding, with the goal of giving you elite products that you can build a fantastic business around. And we're not about cures, we're about prevention. We want you to die young at a very old age. And you know, I want to end my part by introducing you to 2 monkeys.